Welcome to the Trimyxs page. Today we're going to talk about how to replace your trimmer line and how to re-spool your own Trimyxs. We're going to first release the latch, which this allows you to switch it from a trimmer to an edger. So you'll be able to see two tabs, one here and one on this end. Push them in and the cap will come off. It's important to hold it tightly with two fingers because you don't want it to unwind like it is already showing. So if it has unwind, make sure that you re-spool a portion of it and keep tension on it. We're going to take the string and feed it through this metal eyelet here. The gear side will just slide directly on the shaft, and then you snap the cap back in. In this example, I'm going to show that the cap looks to be in, but it hasn't completely locked in place. You'll see here, it's very important that it snaps in properly. So all you have to do is do a slight little twist, and you hear that click, and it snapped right in. Release the latch, switch it back to a trimmer, and then you're back to mowing and trimming. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions at all, we want to hear from you. Drop your comment in this video.